problem. Okay, so bring a friend. I will do the input-output table for this. So I got 3 boys go to the neighborhood day camp, and every day, every subsequent day, everybody at the camp brings a friend. So my input-output table would look something like this. I'm going to do 3 columns on this table, and the 3rd column is so I can do some thinking. I got the day number, the number of kids, and the 3rd column's also number of kids. So day number 1, Charlie, Michael, Andy, 3 kids. Day number 2, they all brought a friend, so 6 kids. Day number 3, everybody who was there on day number 1 brought a friend, so that's 12 kids. Day number 4, everybody there on day number 3 brought a friend, so that's 24. Day number 5, 48. That pattern continues. And what I want to do, I don't know if I'll go mine all the way up to 10. Although we got that answer from the class, right? How many on day 10? 1,536 kids on day number 10. This continues. How many kids on day N? This is why I got my 3rd column. Yes?
Wouldn't it be 2 to the n minus 1 times
3? 2 to the n minus 1 times 3. That is correct. Now, what I'll do is kind of show how we got that. So what I would say, my 3rd column is for the number of kids, but it's how did you get your answer from the previous day? So the first day, it was given in the problem, it's 3 kids. The next day, well, it was 6, but that is 3 times 2. And then on day number 3, it's 12. But that's day number 2 times 2. But day number 2 was 6, which is 3 times 2, and then times 2 again for day number 3. Every day, I'll take the previous day and multiply by 2. So day number 4 was 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. And day number 5 was 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. What is the relationship between the number of 2's and, well, what can I make a relationship between? See, this is 4 2's. On day 4, there were 3 2's. The number of 2's is? The previous day number. I like the way you said that. Yeah. I wasn't thinking that. And your students are going to come out with things that are correct, but maybe you would not have quite said it that way or thought of it that way. Previous day number. Exactly right. Who else was going to say something? What about the current day number?
I would say it's the current day number minus the first day, because they didn't bring a friend the first day.
The current day number minus the first day. So minus 1. So, or you could say the current day number, well, you could just say what I just said, right? The current day number minus 1. So on day 10, it would have been 3 times 2 to the what power? 9th power. Okay, I made a big jump there. I used an exponent. On the previous ones, I didn't write it with exponents. You know, like day 5, I could have written 3 times 2 to the 4th power on day 5. And if you're not familiar with exponents, now I'm assuming everybody in this class is familiar with exponents. I'm not trying to make anybody feel dumb. As a teacher, though, this is something you would want to be aware of, that maybe your students are so confused by an exponent that they're not sure what to do. Okay. So anyway, I'll tell you a story about that in a couple of minutes. One of my from my personal experience. On day N, 3 times what? 2 n minus 1.